Hey everyone, JP from PipeKit here, coming at you with another Argo Workflows video. Today we're going to be talking about suspend templates. Now these are particularly useful if you're doing a CI type workflow and certain members within your organization need to sign off on the workflow before it goes to completion. So let's take a look at how this works within an Argo workflow. This example that we're looking at is within the Argo Workflows official documentation. It's composed of 4 different templates. The first is a steps orchestration template that is going to be orchestrating the other 3. And then we have 3 work templates. The next 2 are suspend templates. The first one is named approve and the second is delay. And then the last is just a container image that is going to be run as an example. So cool. There are 2 types of suspend templates. The first is a manual suspend or a manual resume type suspend template. And the second is going to resume after a set period of time. So if we're thinking about that CI example that I just spoke about, the manual one is going to be more useful for that CI approval process. But the delay or the automatically resuming suspend template could also be useful for a variety of other reasons. So let's take a look first at the manual resume suspend template. So that's going to be under the approve step here. And it's very easy to specify. It just has a suspend keyword, and then the value of that key is going to be an empty object. So whenever this workflow runs, when it gets to the approve step within this workflow, you're going to have to manually resume the workflow. It will be in a paused or suspended state until someone manually resumes that workflow. And there are 2 ways of doing it. The first is by using the Argo CLI, and you can do Argo resume and then the workflow name. And the second is using the Argo Workflows UI, where you're going to go into the UI itself and there's going to be a button where you can manually click resume. So if you combine this with good RBAC policies, you can set it up to where only certain individuals within your organization, whether they're managers, like risk officers, whatever, have the ability to approve workflows that are doing sensitive things, like let's say pushing to production and the likes. Now, next, let's get into that delay template. So it's only got 1 additional keyword in it under the suspend definition. You're going to set the key value pair of duration equal to and then a time frame. So this one sets the duration to be 20 seconds before the workflow automatically resumes, but you can also specify another unit of time, such as minutes or hours, by including M or H respectively after the number. Once again, my name is JP. Thank you for tuning in. We do professional services and products surrounding Argo workflows, data infrastructure, data science, what have you. So give us a shout at pipekit.io, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much.